Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through an easy step-to-step process on how to change language on your Bitcoin.com wallet application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Let's get started by tap and open Bitcoin.com wallet from the app drawer. Also make sure that you are inside your wallet homepage. After you are, tap on the settings or the gear button at the bottom right hand corner. From the settings menu, tap on app preferences. Select language from the options and select the language of your choice that you'd like to change to and tap on it. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your language on Bitcoin.com wallet app. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.